Good morning, dear students. Today we will do class 6 GK chapter 6 Everyday Science. Have you ever imagined your life without the scientific gadgets that we are using in our day-to-day life? What would we do without the electric bulb? How would it be without televisions, computers and laser beams? Inventors and inventions are an integral part of our lives. Identify these inventors using the clues given below. Match the photos to their finding by writing their number in the box. So here first picture is of Charles Darwin. Charles Darwin was not a scientist but an English naturalist who gave scientific theory of evolution by natural selection that became foundation of modern evolutionary studies. Next is of Albert Einstein. He was a physicist who developed the theory of relativity. He revolutionized our understanding of space, time, gravity, and universe. Third picture is of Nicholas Copernicus. He was an astronomer known as the father of modern astronomy. Fourth picture is of Thomas Edison. Thomas Edison was an inventor who invented photograph, motion picture camera, light bulb and many other devices. Because of Thomas Edison, we are able to use sound recording even. Next picture is of Marie Curie. Marie Curie is famous for the discovery of the elements polonium and radium. Let's do the exercise now. First question is, the Sun is at the center of our solar system and all the planets orbit around it. So name of the scientist is Nicholas Copernicus, who was an astronomer, and number of this scientist is 3. Second question is, invented an instrument to measure radioactivity with her husband Pierre. She discovered the element radium. So name of the scientist is Marie Curie. Question number C. Revolutionary idea that planets and animals evolve over time by a process called natural selection. So who gave the theory of natural selection? He was not a scientist but an English naturalist. Name of the person is Charles Darwin. Number 1. D question is patented, registered with the government over 1000 inventions including the electric light bulb. So you very well know the name of the scientist, that is Thomas Edison. Number of the scientists is 4. Revolutionized physics in the 20th century, called the most intelligent man of the 20th century. Number of the scientist is Albert Einstein. Number 2. So here you will fill all the answers in your GK book. I hope you enjoyed learning. Thank you. Have a nice day. Now we will do chapter 7. Art anyone? Means art is not the cup of tea of everyone. A thing of beauty is a joy forever, said John Keats. The saying springs to mind while viewing beautiful works of famous painters. So here we will discuss about the famous paintings. First painting is, you will guess the name of the painting and write the answer on the space given here. So first is an iconic painting of Abanindranath Tagore depicts a saffron-clad woman holding in her 4 hands a book, sheaves of paddy, a piece of white cloth and a garland. So this picture is of Bharat Mata. Next, portrait. Let's see. Amrita Shergill, an eminent Indian painter called one of the greatest avant-garde women artists of the early 20th century, has modeled the paintings on herself. So that is called self-portrait. Third clue is an epic painting from the Mahabharata by famous Indian painter Raja Ravi Verma. The woman removes a thorn from her foot while covertly looking for her husband or lover, Dushyant. So name of this painting is of Shakuntala. Next clue is India's most prolific painter Maqbool Fida Hussain enjoyed depicting the free spirit of this particular animal in several of his works. So this particular animal is horse. You can see this is the picture of horses. Now what extra the writer want to say about painting? Art instruction helps with the development of motor skills, language skills, social skills, decision making, risk taking and inventiveness. Visual art teach learners about color, layout, perspective and balance. So many benefits are here. So you must have decided that we should start painting now. I hope you enjoyed learning. Thank you. Have a nice day. Chapter 8, Tapping Toes. This chapter is about the different dance forms. Stepping toes, the rhythmic movement of the body to music is called dance. There are different dance forms and distinct styles worldwide. Identify the dance form. Some clues will be given here, so you have to guess about the dance form. A popular partner dance that originated in the Uruguay and Argentina border. So name of the dance is tango. Second clue, this popular ballroom dance form originated in southern Germany and Austria. Name of this dance form is waltz. Now third clue, this Central European dance form originated in Bohemia, popular in Europe and USA. The name of this dance form is polka. Now fourth clue. This is a classical Japanese dance drama art form. Name of this form is kabuki. Here the writer wants to say about dance impact on body, mind and soul. Physical impact. Dance helps children with their strength, flexibility and posture. Intellectual impact of dance. Dance improves brain function through thought process and muscle memory. Emotional impact. Dance helps find the courage and strength to freely express thoughts. Now, fifth clue is this high energy dance form is traditionally performed by a chorus line of female dancers. Name of this dance form is Kan, an Indian classical dance form that goes back to the Kathakars, storytellers of the ancient northern India. Name of this dance form is Kathak. I hope you enjoyed learning. Thank you. Have a nice day.